Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change default image generation model on Perplexity. If your images on Perplexity AI look low quality, too slow, or just not what you expected, you're probably using the wrong image model. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change it and which one you should actually use depending on your goal. So start by opening the Perplexity app on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon, then tap on the gear icon settings. So make sure your login or some models might not appear. Now scroll down a bit until you see image generation model. Then tap on it, and it will show you all the available options. Now this part matters. Don't just randomly pick. So here's a simple breakdown. Default means this automatically chooses a model based on your prompt. It's best if you don't want to think too much. You have Nano Banana. It's fast and lightweight. It's good for quick drafts or testing ideas. You have Nano Banana Pro. So it's good for higher quality and sharper details. It's best for social media content or thumbnails. Next is C Dream 4.0. It balances performance and creativity, and it's great for artistic or stylized images. And the last one is Chippity Image 1. It is strong for realism and accuracy. It's best for realistic photos and detailed scenes. Now just tap the model you want, and in order to use these other models, you might have to upgrade your plan. So once selected, you'll see a check mark appear, and that means it's now your default. So no save button needed, it updates instantly. Now go back and generate the same prompt using different models. So for example, you can say a cinematic photo of a man walking in neon city at night. Then send it. Now once done, some models are faster. Again. Now once generated, you'll notice some models are faster, some are more detailed, and some are more creative. So this is how you figure out which one fits your style. If you really if you really want better images, don't just rely on the model. Your prompt matters too. So try adding lighting like cinematic soft light or neon glow. You can add style, details like 4K, sharp focus, something like that. So you don't have to stick to just one, switch depending on your goal. And that's how you can change your default image generation model on Perplexity AI. So if your images still don't look good, it's usually not the app, it's the model or the prompt you're using. So try different combinations and you'll instantly see better results. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.